AI coming in right now, because now that the earth has moved towards 5D. But I saw one of the posts saying that AI belongs to the 3D world. So how is that making sense?
As you move higher in the dimensions, uh, it's more non-physical, it's more spiritual, it's more divine, it's more. So there's something called human intelligence. There's something called artificial intelligence that is invented by human beings,
Yes.
and there's something called divine intelligence,
Okay.
a higher self.
Yeah.
Right? So AI is the most lowest form of intelligence if I look at all of these forms of intelligence.
Okay.
It's logical, right?
Yeah, because it's created by humans. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
created by humans.
Yeah.
So it's the lowest form of intelligence. And the funny part is, we were born to evolve. So from human intelligence, our next step is to move into divine wisdom, divine intelligence. So from a lower self, we move into the human self and the higher self.
Yeah.
Right? Now, rather than that, we are regressing.
Yeah, exactly. Because we are using AI, which is the lowest.
And also understand, but then it's not anybody's fault. It's just that the lack of information. And I'm not saying AI is not good. But when a human intelligence or a divine intelligence is using AI, please understand we live in a 3D world. So we need structure, we need information, we need structured information, and we need detailed information. So, and information in the field, right, is there just like a smudge.
Okay.
Now, let's say, for example, I'm sitting and I'm doing my meditation, I'm connecting to the human consciousness grid, and I'm downloading some information from the grid,
Okay.
from the human consciousness grid. Now, it's not going to come to me as a structured piece of information, it just comes to me as a smudge, but the whole information is there.
Yeah.
Now, to put that into a structure and to maybe give it to the world, I need AI.
Yeah. Got it.
You understand?
Yeah.
So then my prompt is based on what I have downloaded. And that's how I'm using AI. So I sit in my meditation, I download a piece of information, right? And there are many times AI doesn't even know what we are talking about, because AI only goes with specifics of what is only researched and scientific back.
Yeah. And what
not-
we have put in as an input.
What we have put in as
Yeah,
an
as
input,
input,
right?
yeah.
What human beings have put
Yeah,
in.
human beings.
Now, would you agree, human beings, whatever they put in, it's only a 3D matrix?
Yes.
So how does AI know about what's outside of the matrix?
Yes.
In the 5D or the...
Got it.
So if human beings had not put in this information, AI would not know it.
Yeah.
Is that making
So
sense?
I can use like whatever the divine intelligence, whatever is the download, and I can use AI to actually structure it and
Structure
put it
it.
out in a better way in the
Yes.
3D, because AI is in the 3D. So I
AI
have
is
to
a
use
3D tool.
Yeah, is a 3D.
And it's a very beautiful tool if used in the right way.
Yeah, but right now we all are scared of AI. If you go to see, because people are losing their jobs because of AI. People are getting into relationships with robots somewhere or the other. Also for therapy, somewhere or the other, humanity is dependent on AI. So at the current moment, it's all about fear with AI, that are machines going to be ruling our life somewhere or the other?
See, that's only if we allow it to. And a lot of people are even choosing to live off the grid. You know, it's such a big opportunity because the 5D world is a world of abundance.
Okay.
Okay, there's more oneness in this world. There's more compassion. There's more one for all for one. So losing your job is an invitation, because even a job is a 3D matrix, 9 to 5. You're stuck. So losing a job and having faith in the universe and stepping up to 5D is opening up yourself to so many quantum possibilities that are there. That, see, job hum kyun karte hain? Paison ke liye karte hain.
हाँ.
But if you have so much abundance available, then why do I have to struggle to make the money?
Got it.
So if I look at it from that lens, then AI is good. It's come to replace us. Now we have time to do better things. We have time to live our dharma, our purpose. So many people are stuck in jobs, but they're born with another purpose and they're dying to express their purpose, but they're not. तो इस डब्बे से निकलना है ना. Imagine when you have a whole big playground to play the game. Why would you play the game in a 2x2
Yeah.
dabba? So I think losing your job is a great opportunity, because it's time for you to now have faith in something very higher than you. You have faith in AI, but you don't have faith in a higher intelligence.
Got it. Okay.
So we got to believe in a higher intelligence above AI.
That's such a beautiful thought, because I feel you can use it to actually awaken yourself in so many different ways.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, when I look at it from the context of hiring AI for as a therapist, now please understand, human connection is about human emotions and vibrations.
Yeah.
Until we don't vibrate, like without a emotion, being with a human being is like being with a robot. Human emotion is energy in motion, so it makes us alive.
Yeah.
So when two humans are emoting, they are passing on
Vibrations.
a
Yeah.
vibration, and a human therapist is then actually observing the person and maybe uplifting them with their vibrations.
Yeah.
Now AI cannot do this. It's only feeding our logical brain.
Yeah.
So even the growth is only informational, it's not transformational.
And somewhere or the other also that the same vibration, because it is your input. Finally, it's just
Yeah.
mirroring you.
It's only mirroring you.
Yeah. So it's not a emotion in motion somewhere or the other. It is just giving
It's only
out
going to tell you what you want to hear.
what you want to hear. Yeah.